My name's Evan. I'm from Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. I've been detailing now for a couple years on and off, kind of as a part-time gig. Been getting more and more business and decided to take this in a more serious direction, and as much experience as I already have, it can never hurt to learn more. So far it's been honestly everything I've expected and then some. Some really great topics being covered and a lot of useful insight that kind of makes you think. Definitely worthwhile. A lot more tips and tricks than I thought I was going to learn. Always great to get a fresh perspective on things. Definitely liked trying out all the products. Even though I've been detailing for a little while, it was awesome to see all the products that Detail King has for specific interior components.